Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement AC Compressor. This AC compressor works on a wide range of classic vehicles, but more frequently on various Freightliner, Peterbilt, and Kenworth heavy-duty trucks from 1996 to 1999. This replaces part numbers ET210L and ET210L-25150. For a full list of applications this compressor works on, check out the list below. What your AC compressor does is it pressurizes or compresses the AC refrigerant, allowing it to circulate and change temperature when pushed through the condenser. Over time, these compressors are known to go bad, creating strange or weird noises when turned on due to the pulley not engaging properly, or there could be leaks coming from the compressor itself. And while this replacement AC compressor is not a genuine OEM part, it does have the same OEM fit, quality, and finish throughout because it was designed to be a direct replacement, thanks to the OEM style plug and obviously all the factory mounting locations. Installation of this AC compressor might be something you could do yourself should you have the right tools. However, the refrigerants that are in an AC system are hazardous, so if your system is currently charged, do not work on it until you properly discharge it. Therefore, consider having this installed by a trained mechanic. If you have any questions about this replacement AC compressor, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.